What is a Google Maps widget? Google Maps widget is a feature by eProfitify that allows you to precisely mark your business location displayed as a Google map on your website. The benefits of this include easy updates when your business location changes or if your business changes location frequently, such as food trucks, trunk shows, or other mobile services. How to change the Google Maps location. Most eProfitify templates already have a Google map embedded in them. If you'd like to add a new Google map to your website, simply click on the Elements tab on the toolbar located on the left side of your screen and scroll down to the section that has Smart Plugins. You can see the Google Maps there. Now locate the area on your web page where you wish to add the Google Map. There are two ways to insert the Google Map into the web page, like most elements. The first is to click and hold your mouse on the element from the side toolbar and drag the element to a location where you want. However, this may disrupt your page design if you do it wrong. The better recommendation is to hover your mouse pointer at the end of the section under which you wish to add the Google Map to see the red plus sign appear. Click on this plus sign and the same toolbar will appear on your screen. Now scroll down to the Smart Plugins section again and click on Google Maps. This will insert the Google Map without risking disruption to your page design. If an error in placement occurs, you can either choose to delete the map section inserted incorrectly or click on Undo from the top nav bar or press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard as an undo shortcut. Now try adding a Google Map to your web page using this tutorial and see if you can do it easily. Updating the address on your Google Map. First, simply click on the Google Map from within your Paraclete Editor environment. Once selected, the left toolbar will automatically switch to the Google Maps Properties Be Quick tab. At the top of the tab, it says Google Maps, and under that, you have the input box called Address. You can access this from your mobile phone, laptop, or tablet. All you have to do is enter the new address. For example, we will enter the address for Capital One Arena in Washington, D.C., USA. Let's say you are a food truck, beverage vendor, or another service located permanently or temporarily at the Capital One Arena, located at 601 F Street Northwest, Washington, D.C., 2004, United States. Simply enter this address and press Tab so the system understands that you have completed the address input. You will now see the address on the Google Map has been updated. Next, you can select the map type as a road map or a satellite view. How cool is that? And finally, you can use the zoom slider to zoom in or out, allowing users to view the location at close or distant proximity. That's it. Now you have learned how to use the Google Maps widget in eProfitify. Go ahead, try it now and leave a comment in this video if it worked or if you have any questions. This is me, your friend Jam from eProfitify, signing off for now. Until we meet again in the next video of this tutorial series for self-managed smart functional websites powered by eProfitify.